Hi, Mom. In honor of Mother's Day, I would like to give you a message to let you know how truly special you are to me. You're a precious gift I received from the Lord. Thank you for giving birth to me and loving me unconditionally. Your love has instilled in me a sense of belonging and acceptance. Your countless sacrifices, hard work, and determination shaped my life in ways words cannot express. Thank you, Mom, for being an extraordinary role model. Your wisdom and guidance helped me navigate through life's ups and downs. And most important of all, thank you for leading me to Jesus. I am and will forever be grateful for your life, Mom. I love you so much. Hugs, your child.
Hello po. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng ating mga nanay sa church. Alam po ng lahat ang inyong mga sacrifices at ang inyong paghihirap para sa inyong mga anak, sa inyong families. So, nais ko pong ibigay sa inyong isang encouragement mula sa Proverbs 31 verses 28 hanggang 30. Sabi po dito, sinusubaybayan niyang mabuti ang kanyang sambahayan at hindi tumitigil sa paggawa araw-araw. Iginagalang siya ng kanyang mga anak at pinupuri ng kanyang kabiyak. Maraming babae na mabuting asawa, ngunit sa kanila'y nakahihigit ka. Magdaraya ang pangakit at kumukupas ang ganda, ngunit ang babaeng may takot kay Yahweh ay kapuri-puri. God bless po sa lahat ng ating mga nanay. Happy Mother's Day.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to be covering mothers and all the mothers worldwide. A happy Mother's Day to all of you. Please know that you are all the superheroes and light of your home. Thank you for all the sacrifices, the caring, and all the unconditional love given to your family. God bless you all and stay in love with Jesus Christ. Thank you.
To my mommy, to my Lala, and to all mommies around the world. Happy Mother's Day! Hi, I'm Joy from CCS Sunday and Calvary Christian Fellowship from the CCS Philippines.
Hi Ma, happy Mother's Day po, and gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa mga sacrifices and sa pag-provide po sa aming magkakapatid. And I love you so much. And to all mothers out there po, happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat, and God bless you all.
So gusto ko magpasalamat kay Mami sa nag-aalaga sa amin ni Joris for the past few years. And I'm really grateful talaga kay Mami na nag-aalaga siya sa amin. And I love her. And ganun lang. Love you, Mom.
Sa lahat ng mga nanay, sa lahat ng mga nagpapakananay para sa kanilang mga anak, at kahit sa hindi nila mga anak, hayaan niyo po akong batiin kayo ng happy Mother's Day. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal, pagsisinabi at pag-aaruga sa amin. Thank you po at sana ay patuloy kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon, patuloy niyong gawin ang inyong responsibilidad at patuloy kayong maging mabuting ina at asawa sa inyong mga asawa. Muli, happy Mother's Day po.
Happy Mother's Day to the mothers of Calvary Christian Fellowship. Thank you for being our source of unwavering support. Alam natin na kahit talikuran tayo ng mundo, Mother will always have our back. Thank you for being gentle when we need comforting and matapang when we need protecting. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day again. And remember, Mother knows best.